Nung nag-start ako, basa pa to. Okay, almost 10 kilometers. 250 meters na lang. 10 km na tayo, pero kailangan na natin huminto tumakbo. At medyo mataas na ang ating heart rate. So, lakad na lang. Okay lang yan. Again, the goal is take care of your zone 2 on your zone 2 build. So, congratulations, self. Successful zone 2 tayo ngayong araw. Let's go!